Did you know your slow website is costing you sales? If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, you're potentially losing 40% of your visitors to your competitors. Conversion rate is considered one of the most important factors of any website, and slow speeds is one of the biggest culprits to low conversion rates. Want to rank higher on Google? You better increase your website speed. Website speed is so important that Google has started to take loading speed into account. Make sure your website is optimized to load lightning fast for your mobile visitors to avoid losing precious traffic. Our team of experts have optimized countless websites, and we are confident in our ability to speed up yours too. With this confidence, we guarantee your website will load in 3 seconds or less. Stop sending visitors to your competitors because your website is slow. Contact JavaLogix now.